Hi, welcome to Create. Today we're going to be making chicken piccata. But before we get to that and go over the ingredients, I'd like you to, if you enjoyed the video, to make sure that you subscribe to our channel, Create, and click on the notification button to make sure that you get the new content when we upload it. So let's get into the ingredients right away. We've got chicken breast. These are cutlets. We cleaned them, patted them down, and displayed them for you. This is 5 cutlets right here. We've got salt and pepper, capers, lemon, butter, parsley, and garlic. We've got all-purpose flour, cornstarch, heavy whipping cream, chicken broth, and olive oil. These are all the ingredients. You should have everything in your pantry already probably except the capers. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's go.